Hello, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make the Cosmopolitan. This drink really rose to fame with the launch of Absolut Citron in the late 80s. This is very alcohol forward, a great sour. If done correct, this is one of the best drinks you can do with Absolut Citron. So let's just get right into it. Take our Boston tin. We're going to go with some fresh lime juice. We're going to go with 25. We're gonna go with some good triple sec orange liqueur. We're also gonna go 25 on that one. Cranberry juice, the juice of the 80s. This is where a lot of people get it mixed up. The cranberry juice is only really here to give a nice, lush pink hue to the drink. So you only want like 10, 12 mils, just a little drop. And next, the daddy, Absolut Citron, the original lemon vodka. Ice. A little bit of working flair. We're gonna give this a good shake now. Oh, we got that. Hawthorne strainer, fine strainer. You should know the tools by now. Take our glass. Now we're gonna go OG. This is not Dale DeGroff's version. There's no need for lighters, there's no need for oranges. Toby used lemon. You wanna take a nice little lemon coin with a little bit of the fruit still on it. That's key to the original Cosmo. A little bit of juice in there. The original Cosmopolitan, all the way from Tribeca, 1980s. Ah. It's better than anything Carrie ever drank, that's for sure.